Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started one chapter. It was place value. Actually, we have already discussed about the chart of place value, and I hope you all have understood. And on that basis, I have given you 5 thumbs yesterday. So we will discuss few more sums, that is from number 6 to number 10. So you please take out your books and take out the chapter and follow number 6, where you can see the question have been written. Look at the pattern and write the next 3 numbers. In book number 6, you have given A, B and C. I am showing you one sum, and rest 2 sums you have to do it by own. First, understand from where the pattern is changing in each numbers. See, 3 numbers are available to you, and you can see from the place of 10,000, that means from the unit of 1000, the numbers are changing simultaneously. So what we are going to do, and it is, you will also see it's going in increasing way. That means 10,000 increase in this number, again 10,000 increasing this number. So this pattern is going through in each number. So what will be the way to calculate the correct answer? Because you need to answer by following the pattern for getting 3 more numbers. So you will see the pattern will start from the last number, because 3 are already done, more 3 you need to do. So you will take the last number and add more 10,000 with this number, then you will get the next number. Again you will add 10,000 more, you will get the second number, and again you will add the 10,000 more, you will get the third number. Have you got my point? You are going to do in the same way. So in number 7, you just see the question what is given. Here one spelling or words of number have been given, and you have to see the number which is given in the question is correct or not. You have to see whether the number is correct or not. Let me read the question one time for you, then it will be more clear what to do in this statement. Rohan was asked to write the number. Which number? Which is given in words. That is 7 crores 5 lakhs 7,405. So, and he wrote what in numericals? It is different from the word. So it is incorrect, and you have to find out the correct answer. You got? Now, number 8, here you have to write 6-digit and 8-digit number. Now, you can write any number here. I have wrote these 2 numbers, that is 9 lakh and 8 digit with different. You can write any number here. Any number which consists of 6 numbers and 8 numbers. That means it should be 6-digit and 8-digit. So go to the next number, that is 9. You have to fill in the blanks with the, what you have to do, you have to fill in the box with correct numericals. That means you have already done the expanded forms. Expanded forms you have already done. Here you have to do the same thing. You have to put the correct expanded form number in the box which is available to you. One I have done, that is you can see here how I have done in the boxes, but rest you have to do it. The last number is 10 number. Here you have to do the matching. Matching with whom? You have to match the numericals with the given words. Suppose I take the first one. What will be the answer of first one? That will be 5 crore 13 lakh 80,719. So like this you have to see and match the correct numericals with the correct word. So best of luck, and I hope you all will complete this work, and very soon you have to send me all this in my WhatsApp number. So please be attentive and do the work on time. Thank you so much.